Good morning, here we are on Castle Cornet at St. Peter Port Harbour in Guernsey. A beautiful February morning, but as you can hear, it's a bit foggy. This is a sound that I didn't realise I missed all the time I lived in England, and it wasn't until I came home and I had a glorious foggy day that I suddenly realised how much I'd missed this sound. All you expats out there will know what I mean. So we're just going to do a little swing around the castle. Of course, nothing on the top of a hill, no Victoria Tower, Elizabeth College or St James's. No Fort George, no Foghorn, all hidden behind the fog. St Martin's Point out there. And of course now we're getting on to Jersey, Sark, Jettu, Herm.